Welcome to this quick guide on installing the MRCOOL wall mounting brackets. In just a few steps, you'll have your brackets securely in place. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure all the components are included in the box. Step 2. Place the wall plate against the wall to determine the correct mounting location. Now insert a bolt through the middle hole of the wall plate. Step 3. Attach the leveling foot into the back of the support bracket. Now slide the bracket onto either side of the mounted wall plate. Make sure the wall plate is still level and insert a second bolt. Do the same steps to the next support bracket. Insert the leveling foot, slide the bracket onto the other side of the wall plate, and screw in the third bolt. For extra support, drill the remaining 2 bolts into the support bracket mounting holes. Step 4. Have someone or mechanical lifting equipment to help lift the condenser onto the brackets. And finally, secure the unit to the brackets using the provided screws and vibration pads. Ensure it is stable and doesn't wobble. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the MRCOOL wall mounting brackets. If you have any questions, please check the manual. Thanks for watching.